Some major hosting companies like Bluehost are now starting to use a service called Simple Scripts to install your WordPress website. Now for this video, if you've already installed it using Fantastico, like we already showed you, which is the most common right now, then you can just skip this video. But if you have not installed it because you could not use Fantastico, then this will show you how to use a service called Simple Scripts. You're going to log into your control panel area just the same, and you're going to scroll down to where it says software and services, and you're going to look for something that says Simple Scripts. Simple Scripts, it'll be like a blue logo with two carrots going left and right. And what you're going to choose here is you just want to go up here and you want to just set up your website. You just want to go to blogs and you want to go to WordPress, and then you just want to choose install. And then what you want to do is you want to choose the domain that it's in. So typically it'll be the main one that you've selected. So just plug that in there. Make sure that it's set at www. As far as advanced options go, choose click here to display. It'll say please give your new site a name. So go ahead and call it the name of the product, just like in the last video. Again, this step is something you only need to do if you did not install it in the last step because you did not have Fantastico. As far as your username and password, you want to make sure you put one in that you will remember. Then choose automatically create new database. After you've read the terms and condition of that license, click that. Then simply choose complete. And it's going to take just a moment to install here. It'll tell you even the status as it goes. It's very similar to the other one though. And once it's completed, it will let you log in and access it. Just like with Fantastico. So notice how it installed it just the same. So there you have it. There's the website again using Simple Scripts. So now in the next videos, we're going to go through the process showing you how to set this up, how to set up your WordPress site, how to optimize it so you can actually maximize your earnings potential with this new website venture.